Hi, my name is Tara and I'm a kindergarten through 8th grade art educator in California. So today I'm going to share with you a fun project where we make use of that craft foam that you can often find at the Dollar Tree and in craft stores, and a piece of cardboard with acrylic paints to create a stamp. I'm going to then use the stamp to repurpose an old tea towel napkin set for a friend's children to make some fancy napkins for them for their tea set. But this is a technique that you can use on tote bags, on clothing, on paper to frame, to make cards with, any number of different projects. So I just hope that this gives you some ideas and lights up your creative spark. Hope you enjoy.
Usage. So the first thing I think I'm going to do is make a flower stamp. So with a pen, you can just go ahead and draw into the foam your design. And I think what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to cut my shapes out. So I would normally work closer to the edge so that I get the most bang for my buck out of a sheet of the sticky back foam, and that is fine. So I'm gonna, like I said, go ahead and make a flower shape. And then I can go ahead and make petals, and what I'm going to do is I'll make a petal. And then what I'll do is I'll use this to create the other petals so that they're all the same. I've cut out all of the pieces of the flower and the petal. So what I'm going to do now is stick them down onto my cardboard background to create my printing plate. So if you're happy with your stamp the way it is, that's fabulous. I'm feeling like this is a little plain, so what I'm probably going to do is take my scraps and make a few more little bits to add in to add a bit more detail to this. You can leave the print plate like this, or you can go in with your pen and make some grooves inside the foam if you would like, to add some further texture to your printing plate. You can also cut out additional pieces and do a little bit of layering, but you don't want to overstack this. Okay, so I'm going to add a few of these, and again, I don't want to layer it up too much because we will be creating a stamp, and we want as much of the foam to touch our work surface as possible. Okay, so it is time to do the print. So with acrylic paint, this will be permanent once it dries. And I could continue to stamp in the corners to fill this piece of cloth with this pattern and design.